righteous one will not run from storms and not turn away, will understand your scars and honor where you prayed.
The Lord gives morning bread. The Lord restores your song. What you thought was lost forever has been held on.